Hi, hello everyone. I am audible and visible to you. Then we will start with the session if I am audible and visible to you. Hello Jashan, Tanu. Okay, right. So welcome to Abhipedia. My name is Ankur Sharma. Today we will further practice few questions regarding journal. Yesterday, due to some technical glitch, our class was left in between. So today we will again start with few questions of journal. Journal is very important for you to understand accounting, and you should be well versed with it. So you must already be knowing that we have started a live batch. We have already started with a live batch, a live and recorded batch from 7th. It's going on, and these are the numbers if you want to inquire anything about that batch. And today's first question for today is paid income tax rupees 20,000. Which account will be debited? Income tax, drawings, capital, cash. Paid income tax rupees 20,000. Which account will be debited? A, income tax, B, drawings, C, capital, D, cash. Let's see who is the first one to answer. Tanu, this is not journal is not a theory. इसमें journal entries होती हैं, तो it is basically a practical subject. Dinesh says D. Okay. Others also. Which account will be debited? Give it a try, everyone. D, A, D, A, D. I am getting A, D as answers. Gitanjali says A. So you have to understand. I will answer this question for you. You have to understand that what you have to understand is income tax is a personal expense of the owner. Income tax is personal expense of the owner. So you have to keep in mind whatever is the personal expense of the owner, it is termed as drawings. And drawings represents owner, so it is a personal account. So owner is receiving the money, so drawings will be debited. I hope it is clear to everyone. Anyone having doubts in this? I think it is clear for you now. Drawings, income tax is not the expense of the business. It is the expense of the owner. So you have to keep this in mind that whatever money for whatever personal reason the owner withdraws from business is known as drawings, and owner being the receiver, drawings will be debited. I hope it is clear to everyone. And the journal entry would be drawings account debited to cash. Reason, this is personal account, so rule would be debit the receiver and cash going out of the business. It is a real account, and rule will be credit what goes out. I hope it is clear to everyone now. So we will move on to the next question for today. Read the question very carefully. What is the accounting entry for payment through check for rupees 820 to K Verma for full settlement of account of rupees 9,000? What is the accounting entry for payment through check for rupees 8820 to K Verma for full settlement of account of rupees 9,000? First is K Verma to bank, second is K Verma to bank, repetition, but the amount is different for both the entries. K Verma to bank to discount, or none of these. Let's see who will answer. C. Dinesh says C, others, Jashan says C, others also. Anyone else give it a try? Pooja says C. Anyone else? So yes, the answer would be C. And why? K Verma personal account, debit the receiver. Will it be this? Will he receive this much amount? His account stood at 9,000. So now his account is settled by giving him this much money and this much discount. Okay. So K Verma will be debited. Bank being real account, it is credited. Credit what goes out because our bank balance will be reduced. Discount in this case is our benefit, is our benefit. So you will credit the benefit. So rules would be K Verma being the receiver of money will be debited, and bank credit what goes out, discount is credit all incomes. I hope it is clear to everyone. So always read the entry very carefully before doing this, answering any of the options. Now this one, due to fire in the premises of Lakshmi Metals, goods worth rupees 5,000 were destroyed. No insurance was taken by the firm. Accounting entry will be. Read it very carefully. Entry: stock account debited to trading. Profit and loss account debited to purchases. Trading account debited to stock. Trading account debited to profit and loss. What will be the answer? Let's see. Okay, we are asking for a journal entry. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, accounting entry means journal entry. A. Others also try. It is a bit tougher one. It is not an easy one. A little bit tougher. Manglanand says A. Others also give it a try. Come on. B, C, A. So see, the entry would be profit and loss account debited to purchase. Why? Because we have lost the goods, and that would be debited to P&L account, or you can even write loss by fire. Profit and loss account is also right, or you can write loss by fire also. And two purchases. Purchases will represent whenever we lose goods due to a fire, due to accident, or even owner takes the good. In any of those cases, purchases account is credited because goods are going out. I hope it is clear to everyone. Any doubt till now? Yeah, for goods we will use purchases. I hope it is clear. Anyone having doubt till now in any of the entries? So I will move on to the next one then. Then a business transactions affects at least one account, at least two accounts, maximum of two accounts, maximum of three accounts. Let's see who will answer this first. Any doubt in earlier entries, you can let me know. I will explain. I will come to them afterwards. First, you give the answer to this. Very easy. B. Yes, the answer is B. Very easy. At least two accounts must be there, because we are following double entry system, and at least we must have two accounts for an entry, and both must be on the either side. One must be on the debit and other must be on the credit. So answer for this is B. Next question for you, the fourth. Next question is, double entry means writing same entry in two sets of books. True or false? You have to tell me. True and false. Let's see. Yes, Pooja, debit and credit. So, double entry means writing the same entry in two sets of books. Is it true or false? ये बताना है आपको. C. Others. First option is C. I am getting option as C. Many of you have written as option C. Others also. A. True. C means false basically. You are saying false. And A is for true. Okay, others. Hanji, is it true or wrong? Let me know. Double entry means writing the same entry in two sets of books. Is it true or false? It is false. Okay. It is noting the two aspects of the entries, but when you do the journal entry, in same books you write debit and credit. Okay. So, is it clear? And the answer is double entry fundamental underlying present day bookkeeping and states that every financial has equal and opposite effects in at least two different accounts, but it doesn't mean books. Okay, right? Two books, posting is done as ledger in various books, but at least when you enter it first time, you enter in the one book journal, and that too on both sides, debit and credit. I hope this is clear to you. Then next one is purchase and sales are used for things we are doing business. True, partly true, false or none. I hope it is clear. The question is clear to you, very clear. ध्यान से read करेंगे and give me the answer. Purchase and sales are used for things we are doing business. Is it true or false? Okay. Others, everyone is saying A. Others also give it a try. It is not a tough one. It is it is a very easy kind of a question. कोई बात नहीं दिनेश, अगर ऑलरेडी दिख गया तो आप तो देख सकते हैं कि आपको मालूम था या नहीं. यू कैन असेस योरसेल्फ. आई नो एक स्लाइड आगे चली गई थी. चलो अब आपको देखना है परचेज एंड सेल्स आर बोथ यूज्ड फॉर गुड्स. एंड व्हाट आर गुड्स इन बिजनेस? Goods means for which you are doing your business. For example, if you are running a stationery shop, all stationery items are your goods. So whenever you purchase them, you will use the account purchases, and whenever you sell them, you use the account sales. So the statement is true. Both of these are used for things we are doing business. So the next question is, the journal is the books of dash entry. I think very easy one. Let's see who all will answer and who all will answer quickly. Pooja, I got. Others also, give it a try. Come on. Everyone, it is a very, very easy, most easy question for the day, or even 2 days you can say. Yes, keep on, keep on. I think this should be everybody should be able to answer this one. It is the very first step. Journal is the very first step where you record the transactions. And hope it is clear to everyone. So next question is, person from whom money is owed by the business is known as borrower, debtor, creditor, payee. This is also not a very tough answer. Let's see who answers this rightly. Person to whom money is owed by the business is known as borrower, debtor, creditor, payee. Sonali says B, debtor. Others, Gitanjali says B, debtor. Others also. A, B, C, D. Read them carefully. A person to whom, this is actually whom, the word is whom, money is owed by the business is known as. The answer would be, what will be the answer for this? Very easy. काफी लोग ध्यान से पढ़ो स्टेटमेंट को. द आंसर इज क्रेडिटर्स. ओके, money is owed by the business means business has to pay money to that person, so it is creditor, not debtor. Debtor would be the person from whom business has to receive money in future. I hope it is clear. Owed by the business, money is owed by the business means business has to pay that person, so that person will be creditor. And if business had to receive money from some person, that person will be termed as debtor. I hope it is clear to everyone. Anyone having doubts till now? Anyone of you? I hope the terms and the questions are clear to you. The next question is, a firm borrows a sum of money from HDFC Bank. Which account is credited? Which account is credited? Read the options. Options are very easy. Bank, capital account, HDFC Bank, none of the above. If a firm borrows a sum of money from HDFC Bank, which account is credited? See, I think this was the question yesterday when the technical glitch happened and we weren't able to continue with the class. So I thought I should discuss it. What is Bangla trading account is basically when we make a financial statement, there we make trading account. Capital account is one option I am getting. Others also give it a try. Idrish, Gitanjali, Dinesh, Pooja, Manikant, give it a try. Let's see who all can answer this one. So I will give the answer for you. HDFC Bank, we have taken money from HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is the artificial person in this case. So being artificial person, HDFC Bank is giver, and according to the rule of personal account, credit the giver is the rule. So accordingly the journal entry will be bank account debited to HDFC Bank. This bank means our bank account, the money in our bank account. HDFC Bank is representing the whole bank because we have taken loan from that. So this is a personal account, and HDFC being personal account, giver of the money will be credited by the rule credit the giver. I hope this transaction is clear to you, this entry is clear to you. Anyone having doubt in this? Then I will move on to the last option for today. Very easy. Double entry principle means a debit for every credit and vice versa. Writing an entry twice, writing all entries twice, maintaining two sets of accounting records. Let's see who is the first one to answer. A. Pooja says A. I've got options. Nitin says D. Okay. Others also. I will give you the answer. Keep on trying. Take a little bit of more time. It is a very easy question. Read it carefully and read the options carefully. I hope this session is informative to you. If yes, then do write in comment box. Others also, double entry principle means which one of the options? So the answer is A, debit for every credit, and vice versa means credit for every debit. So this is the basic principle of this is the basic principle of double entry system. So when we do journal is very important, and for doing journal entries or cracking a question related to journal, what you have to what you should be knowing is you should be knowing the rules of debit and credit. Whether you use traditional rules, whether you use your modern rules, or you use the mixture of all the rules, but you must be knowing the rules. And if you are well versed with the rules, then slowly you will have a grip on this journal. Most probably tomorrow also I will bring up some questions from this journal only, because this is the very basic principles of accounting, journal entry. A person who has understood journal entries can do rectification, can do any kind of a question in accounting, whether it is related to share capital, whether it is related to consignment, venture, joint venture, any question, right? So that was the last question for today. Tomorrow I will be bringing up another MCQ session for you. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, not tomorrow, and we will be meeting then. Thank you very much.